Hello. In this news segment, I'll be showcasing a few statistics, and I'll be talking about a few statistics which will be helping us understand the issue of food insecurity better. In the United States, poverty and hunger go hand in hand, but poverty is not the only determinant whenever it comes to food insecurity. Rather, it's one of the many factors that is associated with it. Research has shown that unemployment, lower household incomes, and certain demographic characteristics can be also key predictors of food insecurity among people living in the United States. In 2016, 41.2 million people reported to be food insecure, and from those, including 28.3 million adults reported, 12.9 million were children. The majority of the people who are food insecure do not live in poverty, and the majority of the people who live in poverty are not food insecure. There is an estimated 58% food insecure individuals that reside in households that earn more than 100% of the poverty line. This means that their household income is what's considered above poverty, and 61% of the people living in poor households are in fact food secure. There's an estimated 27% of individuals who are considered food insecure who live in households that earn an income above 185% of the poverty line, which makes them ineligible for most federal nutrition assistance programs. As you can see, income is not the only reason for food insecurity in the United States. Food insecurity exists in every single county in the United States. Percentages of food insecurity in counties range from 3% up to 38% in some counties. Rural areas are also known to have higher rates of food insecurity. Regions considered food deserts can sometimes make it hard for individuals to access healthy foods, markets, and grocery stores. Studies have also shown that racial inequalities exist among food deserts. Rates of food insecurity are disproportionately higher in minority households. Black households experience food insecurity at a rate of 21.8%, and Hispanic households experience food insecurity at a rate of 19.5%, while white households experience food insecurity at a rate of 7.8%. In households with children, those percentages increase, indicating that food insecurity occurs more often. Households with children report food insecurity at a significantly higher rate than those without children, 17% compared to 11%, especially households that are headed by single women. Research has also shown that children from food insecure homes have poorer overall health status than those without. They're sick more often, are much more likely to have infections, and have higher rates of iron deficiency, and are also hospitalized more frequently. In short, going hungry makes kids sick. As a result, they miss more days of school and are less prepared to learn when they are able to attend, making the relationship between hunger, health, and learning greatly important. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in today. Now on to my colleagues.